little and a cute girl, Prinda, and it's look and listen carefully to the story of a healthy and a junk food. One day, Prinda was alone at home.
Mama, where are you? I am feeling so hungry. Mama, where are you, Mama? I don't know what to eat. What should I eat? Okay, I must check in the kitchen there. Must be something to eat. Let's see. What is there? Wow! There is yummy pizza, French fries, noodles. Wow! Yummy! I like it. Oh God! There are also leafy vegetables, meat and fruits. Oh, I don't know what to eat. What should I eat? I am feeling so hungry. What should I eat? Rita, look here. I am the leader of healthy food. Yes, in this food.
What's healthy food?
Yes, and this food makes you strong and energy. What do you mean by energetic? Energetic means the food which gives you energy.
Stop that boring food.
Who are you?
I am the leader of junk food. Eat some junk food. Yummy, delicious, cheesy, and it's very tasty to eat.
Oh God, I don't know what